How you doing? I'm Sanjay. Many of you know me. I'm happy to introduce you to something new and exciting the Care Synchrony team is cooking up for you, your team. You all know Sentinel, the kiosk, which is for visitor management. It allows you to keep track of your visitors coming in and exiting the community as well as your residents. In the current conditions where you're screening all of your visitors, the system already allows you to screen them based on evolving CDC guidelines. So what we're doing is we're partnering with Steve here, who's a fellow entrepreneur like me, owner of a company called Sena-Tech, to bring you an integrated thermal imaging capture for elevated body temperature. Steve, can you explain a little bit about this?
Yeah, so we've partnered with Sanjay and the Care Synchrony platform here for Sentinel. And what we're showing you guys today is an elevated body temperature facial recognition module that is going to integrate with their visitor management platform. So when a resident comes in or a visitor comes in, once you're in the system, you'll be able to just come up, put your face into the scanner. It will check your body temperature, and if you have a mask on, and then it'll all automatically print your badge out and say that you're approved. And if you're not approved, then there'll be other steps that each facility will take to regulate, where your temperature is. Additional screening may be necessary. The system can also tie into access control. So if you had a man trap or if you had doors, and then we also have another module, Sanjay, for the employees. So it's a time and attendance module that they can use as well. So all of your staff, if you've got CNAs that are coming to visit, you got doctors coming to visit, any of your full-time employees coming in, we have another module that'll do time and attendance as well, which is going to take facial recognition, mask detection, and their body temperature. And it's just a frontline detection. So elevated body temperature is what we're looking at here to help automate the process of the system and to document it. And all the documentation is then going to be on the Care Synchrony platform for you guys that you guys are all familiar with, and you'll see.
And actually, it's one data access layer for you. Everything is residing at Care Synchrony. You get your alerts, you get your reports for compliance, and you get a total visitor screening and management system using this combination of solutions. It is built for today and for the future, and we'd be excited to give you an on-site demo and maybe even help you have a trial period if you want, and to bring this solution to you, because it's really going to help your community keep it safer, keep you in compliance, and basically it can also enhance your the community, because when visitors come, they know that you really secure the community for your resident population. Hope to see you soon, live sometime soon. Thank you.
Thank you.